Datum SOLIDWORKS. In the document on the final details of the tool support the following elements: the boss, cylinder, groove, flat, simple hole, slit, or width. To access this tool, click Database, Dim Expert, Toolbar, All Tools, Dim Expert. Select Dim Expert. OK. And activate the command Datum. On the work field, select Surface. For Datum, Cylinder, Plane. For Rotate Model, hold the scroller and move the mouse. Next, set the parameter of the datum. Setting, style, label, leader, changing window, text, select the surface, click left mouse button, and one click, and OK. We have a datum of the cylinder surface.